I want to show you how you use the option recreate.
Going
So I'm going to click on my story. This time I'm going to click on recreate.
Going to see the birds. Click on going.
So this time the words are all appearing at the top of the screen, but not in the order that they are in the sentence, and the student has to select the right word to go next. So
click on going.
It's asking for the word going. If I select the wrong word,
click on going.
It will just ask me for the right word.
Going. Click on to. Going to. Click on see. Going to see. Click on the going to see the. Click on birds going to see the birds.
And then again the video
We're
plays
going to go and see the birds
at the end of that page.
aren't we?
Now, what's good about this mode is this is actually the beginning of being able to write a sentence and to get it correctly in the right order. So this is a fantastic option. To go to the next page, you just click on the green arrow.
We go over the bridge. Click on we.
And again, it's going to ask for the words in the right order.
We. Click on go. We go. Click on over. We go over. Click on the. We go over the. Click on bridge. We go over the bridge.
And then the video plays, but I'm just going to right click the mouse to stop the video because I want to show you another way you can use recreate. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to hit the car button to leave the story, because what I want to do is go down to settings down here. So let's click on settings, and if you go to recreate option here, you'll see page read up to current word when correct word is clicked. You can turn that off if you want, because that does slow it down a little bit. But the one I want to show you about is down here where it says ask for words. Ask for word by name. You could also have click on the next word as the instruction. You could have it saying nothing at all, or you can have it say nothing but then read the page to the current word on timeout. And I'm going to select that one. Okay, I'll hit the tick button. And now we're going to recreate the book. Have a look at this.
Going to see the birds.
Now it's totally quiet, and the student has just got to get the words in the right order for the sentence.
Going to see. Going to see the. Going to see the birds. Going to see the birds. We're going to go and
right click the mouse to stop it. So now it's a lot quieter, and for some students that's a real advantage. So basically that's how you use recreate.
Going to see the birds.